D. Able-bodied person, someone who is fit and willing to help us in an emergency situation. AC. Aircraft. Aft. The rear of the aircraft. Airbridge or pier. Covered walkway attached to the aircraft. Altitude. Distance or height from the ground. Ambulift. An ambulance which can raise up to the aircraft door for wheelchair access. AOC. Air Operator's Certificate. CAA document allowing the aircraft to fly. CAA is Civil Aviation Authority. AOG. Aircraft on ground. ATA. Actual time of arrival. ATC. Air traffic control. ATD. Actual time of departure. APU. Auxiliary Power Unit. Fixed aircraft power when the main engines are not running. Base. The airport where the crew operate from. Bulkhead. A wall that divides one part of the cabin from the other. Bustle. Casing for the escape slide that is fixed to the door. Cabin. The passenger seating in the aircraft. Cants, or CANX. Cancelled. Capt, or CAPT. Captain. CC. Cabin crew. CAA. Civil Aviation Authority. Check-in. Crew report time. Config. The configuration of the seats on the aircraft, the number and layout. CRM. Crew Resource Management. Crew Communication Skills. Chocks. Wedges that are placed in front of the aircraft wheels to prevent the aircraft moving in the event of a brake failure when parked. Commander. Another word for captain. Cruise. Altitude for the majority of the flight. DFT. Department of Transport. DON. To put on. ELT. Emergency Locator Transmitter. ETD and ETA. Estimated time of departure or estimated time of arrival. Galley. Aircraft kitchen. GMT. Greenwich Mean Time. PAX. Passengers. FDP. Flight duty period. FOD. Foreign objects, debris, or rubbish left around the airport. FTL. Flight time limitations, maximum working hours legislation. FC. Flight crew, or the pilots. FD. Flight deck or cockpit. FO. First officer. Forward or fore. The front of the aircraft. Fuselage. The body of the aircraft. Dash bag. Rubbish bag. GPU. Ground Power Unit. Plugs into aircraft to give it power when it doesn't have its own auxiliary power unit. The hold. The belly of the aircraft. On hold. An aircraft waiting for permission to land can be put on hold. OB. Outbound flight. IB. Inbound flight. IFE, in-flight entertainment. Inboard, toward the centre of the aircraft. INF, infant. Interphone, aircraft telephone for calling crew to crew. Jump seat, self-folding cabin crew seat normally adjacent to the exits. Local, the local time, the time wherever you are in the world. Life raft, flotation device to aid protection from the elements. Main gear, main or central wheels. Mid, middle of the aircraft, example mid-cabin. NS, night stop. Nose gear, wheels at the front of the aircraft. Offload, remove something from the flight, example passenger or bag. Outboard, out towards the outside of the aircraft. OPS or OPS, Operations Department. PA, passenger announcement. PAX, passengers. Port, the left-hand side of the aircraft when facing forwards. PRM, person with reduced mobility. Ramp, area around the parked aircraft. Sector, example Manchester to Amsterdam is one sector. SCCM, senior cabin crew member, or purser, or in-flight manager, or number 1. SCP, special category passenger. SEP, safety and emergency procedures. Stand, airport allowed parking space or departure gate for aircraft. Starboard, the right-hand side of the aircraft when facing forwards. Stow, put something away. Stowage, an area where something can be stowed. SNY, supernumeracy, additional cabin crew member above the legal minimum. Crew operate in this position when they are first checked out on an aircraft type, or they have gone out of check recency on that particular aircraft type. SOP, standard operating procedures. STBY, standby. Taxi or taxiing, moving an aircraft somewhere on the ground. TBA, to be advised. TOB, total on board. TOD, top of descent. US, unserviceable or broken. Undercarriage, aircraft wheels. Zulu, Z or Greenwich Mean Time.